All right, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Alfonso is the best it's going to be for the Noto show. Let's just take a gander. Let's look at this. Get the curtains in. Got our table in here. So we've got everything here. I even have a net for the front here. Mosquito net. Got the child cot over here. Got our canvas top all ready to go. Got the cabinets. So we got storage in here. Storage down here. We've got our awning, which we'll be using at Noto. They got the original mosquito net. A little rough, but not too bad. I'm probably gonna get that fixed. But yeah. So now we're just gonna go ahead and load it up with all the supplies we're gonna need. We still have the sink and we have the ice box. I didn't put it in because it takes up so much room. So I have everything, all the original equipment minus the stool. As when I first bought the bus, I left the stool. So otherwise, it had everything. Very complete bus. All right, guys, here it is, the 7-1 Westy. I've had it for a little over 2 years now. We've restored it to an extent. It's nowhere near perfect, but it's perfect for us. We're just gonna do some camping in it with the whole family, the dogs, the wife, myself, and we're looking at having some memories with this vehicle. So it's gonna start this weekend. It's gonna be our first camping trip. We're so excited. You know, now we're gonna get to show you this special project, the secret project we've been talking about. Stay tuned because that's coming up very shortly now. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the videos of the trip. Tell us what you think of the bus so far. We're gonna be posting up some original scenes of the bus when I first got it. Take care. Finally got it off the trailer. The one I was going to tell you about was the 71 Westy, which I've had since the beginning of January. I'm going to start working on this one as well. This is going to be the next project after the 70 Bert. I'm going to start working on this, try to get this on the road. I already got a key made for this, so now it works on all the doors. However, it's still not working with the ignition. I still got to see what's up with that. this is very much complete with the interior. I'll take you on the other side. We can see how that looks. A lot of spider webs in this as well. There's another. This one's alive here. Oh, lost in there. Still can't open this, so I'll have to address that later. Look at the water tank. Some other stuff in here, fabric for the curtains. It's got the original vinyl floor. It's got the original mosquito net. It did have the original stool, but I left that when I went and purchased this. So the plan's going to be is take out all the interior, pull out all the insulation, because that's what's drawing the moisture and rust. So we're going to pull that out and redo the paneling and stuff like that too. It does have obviously the pop top, all the fabric is shot there. It does have the cot, which is cool. But like I said, once we start opening up, we'll address everything in there.